If your toenails look like a science experiment gone wrong, you're not alone. Let's talk solutions. So, tea tree oil. It's been around forever and is touted as a natural cure-all. But does it really work on toenail fungus? Let's break it down. Tea tree oil comes from the leaves of the melaleuca tree, native to Australia. It's famous for its antimicrobial properties, which means it can fight off bacteria and fungi. Sounds promising, right? Here's how you can give it a try at home. First, make sure your feet are clean and dry. Then, apply a few drops of tea tree oil directly onto the affected toenail. You can use a cotton swab for precision. Do this twice daily for several months. Yep, it takes time. Now let's be real. Scientific studies on tea tree oil's effectiveness for toenail fungus are limited. Some people swear by it, while others see no change at all. It's a mixed bag, folks. But hey, it doesn't hurt to try as long as you're not allergic. Remember, natural remedies like tea tree oil are generally safe but can cause skin irritation in some people. Always do a patch test first and consult your healthcare provider. So, is tea tree oil a miracle or a myth? The jury's still out, but there's no harm in giving it a shot. After all, plenty of people are on the hunt for the perfect remedy. There are a lot of home remedies that people have tried to get rid of their toenail fungus. Be sure and subscribe so that you can see if any of them work.